Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video. Recently I have published two videos in my channel. In one of them I showed you how to make a normal column scrollable, and in the other one I showed you how to use animation to animate the widgets, the elements of your applications. And now in this video, as a practical example, I'm going to show you how to make a top bar visible or invisible using animation and a scrollable column. Let's get started. This is the application that we are going to build together. I have a top bar here and I have a column here. When I'm scrolling the column, the top bar will be hidden or visible with a nice animation. Okay, let's create it. Here I have a project, and before I start recording, I have created this composable function inside it. If you have watched the video that I built about a scrollable column, you know what is this and how to make this column scrollable. Here we have a variable scroll state, and here I have a scaffold. And as you know, inside the scaffold we have different things: top bar, bottom bar, and finally the content. As the content of this scaffold, I have this column, and by setting this variable on this vertical scroll, I made this column scrollable. Then here in lambda block of the column, we have a repeat function, and for 7 times we have repeated this box with the color primary, and we have repeated this box with color yellow. And here we have the top bar, and between these two blocks, lambda block, we are going to write the code to create the top bar. Here we have a log to see the value of this scroll state. First check this, and then we will continue together. As you see, I have only this scrollable column. Let me make it a bit smaller. And here I'm going to open the logcat. Okay, here we have a scroll state value, and it can be changed between current 0 until the max value, which is 1328. And as you can see, when I'm scrolling, the value is changing. So when we didn't start scrolling, the current value is 0, and when we start scrolling, it will be another value. So by controlling it, by checking it, we can use it to make the top bar animated. Okay, how to do this? Just we need a variable here. Let's call it is scrolled. By remember the ref state of, and here the scroll state dot value. And now we can write here if it's equal to 0 or not. So whenever we are scrolling, we start scrolling the column, this is scrolled, the state of it will be changed, so we can use it. Let's implement the top bar here. We are going to use the animated visibility, the first part of the video that I built for animation. So animated visibility, then it asks to set the value here for visible or invisible. It should be true or false, exactly the same as is scrolled. So I'm going to pass is scrolled here, and let's have it in the next line. And here I'm going to implement the top bar. The top bar needs a title, so a text. Top up bar, and after this title, which is here, a comma and color. Top bar defaults dot top bar colors container color dot yeah. Okay, and everything is set on the top bar, I think. Let's check it. Okay, here we have this top bar, and I'm going to scroll, and you can see the result. And we can customize the animation as I showed you in the animation video. Here, after the visibility, I need a comma, and I can write exit and enter. So for exit, I'm going to use slide out vertically plus fade out. And for the enter, slide in horizontally, for example. I'm going to use different animation, and I skip writing the fade out to see the differences. Let's check it. Okay, scrolling, and you can see that it comes in the screen horizontally and goes out vertically and with fading. Okay, you can use the different types of animation to customize it, as I showed you in the video about the animation. And that was everything about animated top bar. I hope you liked this video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you are new here in this channel, please hit the subscribe button and the bell button to be aware about the new videos. Thank you for your support. If you have any question, any comment, write them down below in the description box, and I will be so happy to read and answer them. Have a good day. Bye bye. See you in next videos.